Hey guys, in today's video we're going to check out one of the best coffee maker. This Keurig K250 coffee maker is based on the results of years of research. In this video, we will measure its price, design, features and most importantly its quality. If you're looking for a coffee maker with affordable prices, then we have the right product for you with reasonable prices. Do check the link in the description below. Without any further delay, let's start. This Keurig K250 is small in size with a sleek, slim overall design. It's hot on coffee brewing capacity. It also allows you to use any brand of coffee or strength you fancy as its pod system is supported by all the leading coffee roasting houses. For smooth, delicious, and richly brewed every time, this is a great solution. With a strength control setting and full touchscreen controls, this machine ensures that you are 100% in control of your coffee every step of the way. What's in the box? 4K cup pods, a water filter handle plus 2 water filters, and a bottle of descaling solution to help extend the life of your brewer. Large water reservoir. While the machine has a compact and slim footprint overall, there is a generous 40 ounces water tank. This means you can brew 4+ cups of aromatic coffee before you have to refill, which is great if you have friends round for a cup of joe. Multiple K-cup pod brew sizes. You can use this ultimate Keurig machine with a range of single-serve K-cup ready prepared pods including 4, 6, 8, and 10 ounces. Strength control. This brewing system puts you in charge of strength. Not everyone likes it to taste like rocket fuel. For some, a more subtle blend in the flavor is preferred. By selecting the size of the K-cup pod, you are in total control of how bold a brew you deliver. Elegant touchscreen control. Making it fresh couldn't be easier, with this easy-to-operate, black and white touchscreen control. Hot water dispenser. The machine can also operate as a hot water dispenser without the use of a pod. Drip tray. There's a handy removable drip tray that catches any excess liquid for easy cleanup and management. Color options. The Keurig K250 is available in a wide range of fresh, funky, modern, and contemporary colors, so there is bound to be one to suit your style and your kitchen design. Coffee options. Over 75 of the world's best coffee roasters work with Keurig, so there is no end to the varieties of pods you can choose to go with your new machine. They cover everything from bold to mild, decaf to flavored, and many of the big-named household brands are represented, too. All this means you have assured the perfect brew every time. Display screen. Black and white touch screen. Dispense hot water. Only by opening and closing the brewer handle, without a pod, and selecting your desired brew size. A removable drip tray at the base of the brewer catches drips and makes for easy cleanup. Care and cleaning. Dishwasher safe parts, wipe clean. Review. The sleek and colorful K250 is part of Keurig's 2.0 brand line, intended to address consumer criticisms of earlier models. It's almost endlessly customizable, with a wide range of gorgeous colors, cup sizes, and brew strengths. Unlike earlier models, however, unless you're willing to invest time to cheat the coffee maker's programming. It is only compatible with official Keurig 2.0 pods. Its space-saving size also comes at the expense of reservoir size, which is most noticeable when you want to brew whole carafes of coffee. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to get updates and information on the trending products. Your feedback is important to us. In the comment box, you can let us know what else we can add for you regarding Keurig K-Duo coffee maker. Which product interests you, and get updates, features, and details about it.